Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Sayyeda Fahmina from Ahmad bin Majid Private School. This video is about topic Aldehydes and 12, Learning Objective 12.1 A3 and 12.1 B. The reaction of aldehydes and ketones with HCN and NaCN. Describe the mechanism of the nucleophilic addition reactions of hydrogen cyanides with aldehydes and ketones. At the end of this video, learners are able to describe the reaction of aldehydes and ketones with HCN and NaCN. Describe the mechanism of the nucleophilic addition reactions of hydrogen cyanides with aldehydes and ketones. Some important terminologies. Nucleophilic addition reaction. What is nucleophile? Electrons-rich species has lone pair and contain negative charge. They are also called nucleus lovers. Hydrogen cyanide acts across the carbon-hydrogen double bond in aldehydes and ketone to produce compounds known as hydroxynitriles or cyanohydrins. Simply, compounds having CN and OH, cyanide and hydroxy group like RCH-OHCN. Aldehydes react more radially with nucleophile due to more partial positive carbon than ketones. How the carbon become positive? As you all know that the electronegativity of oxygen is 3.5 and carbon is 2.5. This will make carbon atoms partially positive in C double bond O bond. Therefore, any nucleophile can attack. Nature of alkyl group is electrons donating. So, more electrons donating group attached to the carbonyl carbon, carbonyl carbon become less positive. So, in aldehydes, the carbonyl carbon contains one aldehyde, one alkyl group, so more positive charge. Carbonyl group has one alkyl group, so this carbon has more positive charge. What reagents we required? Hydrogen cyanide with sodium cyanide. Organic product is cyanohydrin or hydroxynitriles. For example, ethanal react with hydrogen cyanide in the presence of sodium cyanide. 2-hydroxypropane nitrile is formed. With propanol, we will get 2-hydroxy, 2-hydroxy, 2-methyl propane nitrile. The reaction isn't normally done using hydrogen cyanide itself because this is an extremely poisonous gas. Instead, the aldehyde or ketone is mixed with a solution of sodium or potassium cyanide in water to which a little sulfuric acid has been added. The pH of the solution is adjusted to about 4 to 5 because this gives the fastest reaction. The solution will contain hydrogen cyanide from the reaction between the sodium or potassium cyanide and the sulfuric acid, but still contains some free cyanide ion. This is an important for the mechanism. In the first stage, there is a nucleophilic attack by the cyanide ions on the slightly positive carbon atom. This is propanol. This is carbonyl carbon and this is CO bond. As you all know that oxygen is highly electronegative than carbon because of the value 3.5 and 2.5. So oxygen will be partially negative and carbon will be partially positive. When carbon will get positive charge, so any nucleophile can attack here. And here our nucleophile is cyanide ion Cn-. Why it acts as a nucleophile? As you can see, it has negative charge and it has lone pair 2. As a result of this, the pi electrons move towards oxygen, make the oxygen fully negative. The double bond change into single bond and cyanide ion attached here. So this CH3 was there, this CH3 was there, this oxygen was partially negative, now fully negative, and here the cyanide attached. Second stage of mechanism, the negative ion formed then picks the hydrogen from hydrogen cyanide and form hydroxynitrile or cyanohydrin, and more free cyanide ions are also released. The hydrogen ion could also come from the water or the H3O positive ions present in the slightly acidic solution. Another example, nucleophilic addition reaction mechanism in ethanol. Stage 1, this is ethanol. Oxygen is slightly negative because of highly electronegative value 3.5. Carbon is slightly positive. This will make the nucleophilic attack easily. When the nucleophile attack here, the pi bond's electron shifted towards oxygen and oxygen become fully negative and cyanide ion attached to the carbonyl carbon. Stage 2, then this negative oxygen will get the hydrogen from hydrogen cyanide and form cyanohydrin 2-hydroxypropanenitrile and release many cyanide free ions. Now you can try with propanol. Good luck. Thank you.